Hello everyone, good evening. Tonight we're going to be testing out the flash on the Brandon Apocalypse 2022 guns. Okay, so these are the 4 guns that I said are a must-have for the 2022 Brandon Apocalypse. Now, a big concern that a lot of special forces teams have is the flash that the guns give off, because that gives away their positions. And that's mostly the reason why you put suppressors on the guns. They're more concerned about flash reduction than they are with noise reduction, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fire each of these guns. I'm gonna fire them towards the camera. I'm also gonna fire them at the 45, sideways basically, at the 45 degrees to the camera, so you guys can see the flash from 2 different directions. One, if you're shooting, if the bullets are coming in towards you, and also if they're being shot away from you. In fact, I'll put one here, one there. I'll shoot towards the camera, slightly away from the camera, and then off to the side over there. Okay, so let's start that. We're going to start off with the 22. So I've got an AR-15 here with a 22 conversion bolt. Okay, now I'm going to shoot the AR-15 with 5.56. Now I'm going to shoot the 9mm in the PX9. Okay, now I'm going to shoot the 9mm in the Glock Gen 3. There's a Glock 17 clone, basically a polymer 80. From what I could see, this seems to be putting out the most flash of any of these other guns so far. Now we're going to try the 12 gauge in the Lynx 12. So this also seems to put out quite a bit of flash, not as much as the pistol, but I've never done this test before. I've never done this test before, so I really don't know what to expect. I just gotta review the camera footage, like you guys. But from me shooting, right, I didn't see any flash from the 22. Right now, mind you, it's dusk. It's not dark yet. It's just like the sun is setting. Okay, so I didn't see any flash from the 22. I didn't see any flash from the AR-15. With the shooting the 5.56. Normally, if I'm shooting that out of anything shorter than 16 inches, I see a gigantic flash. I didn't notice anything, while I was shooting. Same thing with the 9mm rifle, the PX9. I didn't notice any flash while I was shooting. With the handgun, I did notice the flash. So while I was shooting, I could see the flash. That seemed to me like that was the brightest. Okay, the 9mm handgun with that short barrel, and then the 12 gauge. That seemed like it was less than the pistol, but more than any of the other rifles. So let me know what you guys think, and I'll review the video myself, and I'll drop my opinion in the comment section. Thanks for watching. If you're not a member of the channel, subscribe. Hit the bell button so you get notification of the videos I put up. I'll talk to you guys soon. And remember, this is Brandon Apocalypse 2022. Hello everyone, it got a little bit darker. I don't even know if you could see me, but I'm going to repeat the test again. I mean, there's still a little bit of light out, but in the camera, it looks like it's dark. So, same test. I'm doing it with the 22 first. All right, now I'm doing it with the AR 5.56. There's a 16-inch barrel. Now we're going to do the 9mm PX9. Now we're going to do the 9mm handgun. That seems like it's the most flashy. Let's do the shotgun now. 12 gauge. All right, so I'm adding one more. I've got the an AR here with a 10-inch barrel. The other one had a 16-inch barrel. So this is the one with the 10-inch barrel. Now, mind you, the 9mm rifle that I shot, that also had the 9mm rifle also had a 10-inch barrel. So we're gonna see the difference. So you can see the AR with the 10-inch barrel had a gigantic flash. That was obviously the brightest. So I think that you know, basically as far as not having a flash signature, regular AR with 16-inch barrel is fine. 22 is fine. I couldn't even say anything. The 9mm AR. That gives you a double benefit in that it's both quiet and it has no flash. The pistol gives you the pistol, the shotgun, and the short barrel AR all have a flash. Of course, the AR with the 10-inch barrel had a tremendous flash. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let's go Brandon, right?